Have you ever wondered, what does this car's dashboard warning light mean? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to tell you what it does mean and what you can do if it's either flashes or stays on. On Car's Dashboard, welcome to Universal of Technology TV. Remember to make subscribe for more useful content. Thank you. This is a brake pad warning light. Brake pad warning light indicates that the brake pads are worn down and need replacement, or that there is a fault with the brake sensor. This is a critical safety issue, and you should have your brakes inspected by a professional as soon as possible. While you can likely continue driving for a short time, you should do so cautiously until the problem is fixed. What the light means: worn brake pads. The most common reason for the light to illuminate is that the brake pads have worn down to a point where they must be replaced. An integrated wear sensor on the pad detects this and sends a signal to the dashboard light. Sensor fault. The warning light can also be triggered by a problem with the brake sensor itself, such as a damaged or disconnected sensor wire. What to do? Do not ignore it. The warning light is a serious safety alert, as worn brake pads reduce your car's stopping power. Drive cautiously. Avoid sudden braking and try to keep your speed low until you can get your vehicle inspected. Get professional help. Schedule an inspection with a mechanic as soon as you can. If you have roadside assistance, call for help to get your car towed to a garage. Thanks to watch. If you found that this video is useful, make it share with family and friends, and remember to make subscribe. Thank you.